Changing out your cabinet hardware is a great way to get a whole new look. I'm going to show you how to fix it in 15 minutes. This is all you need. Safety glasses, you need your new hardware, some adhesive putty, a screwdriver, pencil, tape measure, and a drill. Now I've taken the cabinet door off of the kitchen so I can show you how this all works. On the back of the cabinet is a screw that holds that hardware in place. Use a screwdriver to loosen it up and then remove the handle. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. This hole is going to serve as the first hole for your new cabinet hardware. Now handles come in different lengths. This particular style is what they call 4-inch centers, meaning those holes are spread out 4 inches apart. And you need to remember that when you're drilling the hole. Now if you'd like to see how this cabinet hardware is going to look, you can use adhesive putty, which I've placed on the back of this handle. Orient it over the cabinet door, press it in place, and then step back. That way you know you like the hardware before you drill the holes. Now it's time to use that tape measure, measure the hole, and then drill it. Line up your tape measure with the 1-inch mark centered on the hole, and then count 4 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, make a mark. Then measure from the straight edge on the cabinet over to the center of the hole from the 1-inch mark. This centers at 9/16. Follow up to your mark, go to the same 9/16 mark, and make a cross point so you know where to place the drill. Use a drill bit that is the same size of the lower hole and drill it. Install the hardware, tighten the screws, and there you have it. New cabinet hardware, and you fixed it in 15 minutes.